Hello again, everyone. I'm Jesse. If you watched the beginning of our previous course in this learning path, you will have seen me there. And I'll say the same thing again. Ray, the instructor of this course, originally recorded it using iOS 14 and Xcode 12. The current versions are now iOS 15 and Xcode 13. But I've gone through this whole course myself using these latest tools, and it's still in perfectly working condition. Unlike the last course, I did not come across any changes that you'll need to put into place, so this will be the last time you'll be seeing me in this course, but I hope you'll join me for some of the other courses I've created later in our learning paths. As for right now, here's Ray.
Welcome to your first iOS and SwiftUI app, Polishing the App. This course picks up right where we left off in the first course in our learning path, Your First iOS and SwiftUI App, an app from scratch. So make sure you watch that course first if you haven't already. In this course, we're going to take the app in the upper left, and by the end of the course, it will look like the lower right. Quite a big difference, isn't it? To accomplish this, we'll be working through the nice-to-haves in our programming to-do list that we made in the previous course, which are to implement multiple rounds, implement restarting the game, add the leaderboard view, and make the app look pretty. Along the way, you'll learn about some SwiftUI fundamentals, including how to use colors and gradients, add dark mode support, draw shapes, use SF symbols, animation, size classes, property wrappers, present multiple screens, and so much more. Not only will the app look much better, but your code will be much cleaner and maintainable too. You'll learn how to extract your SwiftUI views in order to keep your code clean, reusable, and maintainable. And you'll continue to use test-driven development to build out and expand your app's data model. By the end of this course, not only will you have created your first app, but you'll have created a polished app that you can carry around in your pocket and show off to your family and friends. Before we begin, I wanted to pause and thank you for subscribing to our site. Your support is what makes all of this possible, and we'll do our very best to keep creating some amazing tutorials for you. I truly hope you enjoy this course and the rest of the courses and books on our site. Let's get started by giving our user interface a makeover using the power of SwiftUI.